Hello my dear friends, let us start the last group of p block element with the question state electronic configuration of group number 18. The general electronic configuration of group number 18 is Ns2Np6, N is equal to 2 to 7, and see here valence electrons are 8 and completely filled valence electrons. Already you practiced it. In group number 18, the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oganesson. Newly added synthetic element is oganesson. Write down electronic configuration according to code number 22, 33, 344, 455, 4566 and 4677. SP, SP, DSP, DSP, FDSP, FDSP. In electronic configuration, there is one exception, and that exception is the helium. Helium not follow the general electronic configuration Ns2Np6, but it follow the 1s2 is the exception here in group number 18. Okay, due to the completely filled valence orbitals, these all elements are called noble gas elements, inert gas, zero group also called. Exception is written here, write down in your book. And majority elements due to the completely filled shells, chemically unreactive. But in 21st century, some chemistry of group number 18 of xenon known. So very few compounds we have to study. It is a very small group. Okay, so write down electronic configuration and information regarding this. And now let us move to the occurrence of group number 18. Write down the question. State the occurrence of group number 18 elements. Let us start one by one. All elements of group number 18 except these two elements, radon and oganesson, they all are occur in atmosphere. All are gases. Radon and oganesson are not gases. All inert gases which are in a gaseous form, they are obtained in atmospheric abundance in dry air. So you can say they are obtained in a dry air, and in dry air they are present 1% by volume. And in this quantity 1% by volume, argon is the major constituent present. Helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon all are present, but majority present is argon. Among them, helium and sometimes neon, they are found in minerals of radioactive origin. The minerals which contain radioactive material, these minerals are pitchblende, monazite and clavate. Among them, pitchblende is the black color mineral, or you can say ore. Monazite is the red brown color. Clavate is the crystal sand type. Among them, pitchblende and clavate is the mineral of uranium. The formula is generally UO2. So pitchblende and clavate is the oxides of uranium. In that ore, helium and sometimes neon are found. And in monazite also, it is also radioactive mineral. So in these three mineral, helium and sometimes neon is found. Now, main source of helium is a natural gas. Xenon and radon both are the rarest element, very rare obtained. Among them, this radon is obtained by radioactive decay of radium. Radium is the element of group number 1. lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Not sorry. Group number 2. Group number 2. Radium. How it is obtained? Let us see the reaction. During the radioactive decay of radium, one helium particle is eliminated. It is also called alpha particle. And when this particle is in a ray form, it is called alpha ray. This alpha ray we are using in the Rutherford experiment for bombardment. So when this alpha particle is removed during the radioactive decay of radium, so what happens? See, 86 plus 2, 88, 4 plus 2, 22, 226. So from radium, by decay of one alpha particle, the remaining nucleus of the radium is not no more radium, is a radon now. Let us discuss the last one is the oganesson. It is not a naturally occurring element, it is a synthetically produced by collision of two nucleus. One is the californium, is a radioactive material, and another one is the calcium. When both collide with each other, and by merging of these two nucleus of californium and calcium, new nucleus is formed, that is called oganesson, is a radioactive material. See here, 3 neutrons are removed from this combined nucleus, means 98 plus this 20, 118. So atomic number is 118. From this total 249 plus 48, out of this total 3 neutrons are removed. So atomic mass is 294. So oganesson has atomic mass is 294. Half-life period is 0.7 millisecond. Atomic number is 118. My friends, write down all these informations in your fair note. Some objectives you are asked. This reaction is important. 1% by volume is important. From where helium and sometime neon obtained, these 3 ores are important. So prepare all these things for objectives. Okay. And write down this in your fair note and submit these 2 questions as a daily. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.